Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add frequently asked questions, that is FAQ, in your blogger post. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, in Google search, anybody can search anything. For example, I am searching FAQ schema generator. And in search result, look, here are some questions that is frequently asked by people. Look, what is FAQ page schema? This is the result and this is the link. If you click on this link, and it will redirect you to this answer website. This one is another question, and this is also, if you click here, it will redirect you to the page where this answer is existed. Okay. Now I'm going to my blog. I will add FAQ schema on this blog post. Okay, click here. Look, there are some questions. This post is related to climate change in Antarctica and its negative effect on our Earth. Look, here I have some questions. What is Antarctica? How is Antarctica changing? Why is Antarctica so important? How a climate change affects Antarctica's wildlife? What can be done to address climate change in Antarctica? These are the questions. And another one is, what are the implications of continued climate change in Antarctica? Okay, I have all these questions and answers here. Remember, you must have answer on your blog post. Otherwise, FAQ will not redirect to your website. Okay, now on Google search, type FAQ schema generator and you will find a result. First one, FAQ page JSON-LD schema generator. Okay, click on here. In this page, just scroll down and here you will type the question and answer, and here you will find the generated code. Okay, I'm going to start. First one, what is Antarctica? I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Next, look, this question is added here. What is Antarctica? Okay, now I'm going to bring answer, copy it and paste it here. Look, answer is added here. Again, if you have another question, click on add another FAQ. Go to your blog. Now I'm copying next question. Copying answer. Look, all questions and answers are added in JSON code. Okay. Now, copying third question. Click on add another question. Now, paste here. Go to blog, copy answer. Extra A is added here. I have just removed it. Okay. Now paste the answer here and click on add another FAQ. Go to blog. Now click how climate change affects. Paste here. Now the answer. Add another FAQ. Next question. Copy. Paste here. Copy answer. Paste here. Add another FAQ. This is the last FAQ. In this way, you can add 4 or 5 FAQ as you wish and answer. But remember, the answer must be existed in your post as it is. Okay, I have added all questions, all FAQ with answers. Now click on copy FAQ schema. Now we need to test this JSON code, whether it is correct or any error found on the JSON code. In Google search, type Google structured data testing tool. This one is Google structured data testing tool. Click on it. And this is schema markup testing tool. Okay, click on it. Click on reach result test. Click on here. Now click on code tab and paste your code here. Scroll down. Now click on test code. Testing code. Okay. One valid item detected. FAQ. One valid item detected. That means there is no error in my FAQ. Okay. Now go to your blog. where you can post your FAQ. I want to post my FAQ below policymakers. Okay, click on this icon. This is compose view, but you need to click on HTML view. Look, this is the policymakers. As because I want to, you can put anywhere in your HTML page. I'm just putting it under policymaker. Okay, that's why click here and hit enter. And now paste your code here. Okay, this is my code. The code is started from script type and it is end with FAQ page code generated by the code generator address. Okay, all your questions and answers are here, but you will not find it in your compose view. It will be hidden in compose view. Click on compose view. Look, there is no change here. Everything is as it was. Now, if you wish, you can delete these questions or you can keep it. Okay, now save your post. I'm clicking on update. It's save changed. And now I'm going back. In this process, you can generate huge traffic to your blog and hopefully creating FAQ schema, your blog will find rank 1 in Google search. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.